Morning everybody, it is 9:13 on Monday, May 30th. I just filmed a how I'm preparing for baby number 2 video. No, I'm not pregnant yet, but I just got my period today and it's like 4 days early, which literally never happens for me, but it happened. So that was really weird to wake up to. And I was wondering why I was so moody. Like I was cleaning like crazy the last like 2 or 3 days, or the last like week, and then last night I was super emotional. I cried a couple times. I've been really snippy and like I've been bitchy. I'm just gonna say, like, I have just been awful. My poor husband, he's so sweet and he's like, why are you cranky? But he's not, like, he's just really sweet. But I feel so bad because I've been so bitchy and just kind of bloated and crampy. And sure enough, this morning I woke up to my period, and because it was 4 days early, I was like, oh, I got my period. That's really weird. So we are gonna start trying. I'm ovulating the week of June 10th, so that's the week that we're gonna start trying. And yeah, I'm super excited to start trying. I have a very strong feeling that this baby number 2 will be a girl. I don't know why. I feel like I'm meant to just have girls. I would love a baby boy, but honestly, as long as they're healthy, I don't care. Like, I just want healthy babies. But I don't know. I've had a dream I'm having a girl. I'm not pregnant yet, but I just had a dream that I'm gonna be having a girl, and I don't know, but I could be wrong. I mean, I thought Blake was a boy, so I have no idea. Anyways, excuse me, baby girl's napping. I have to work tonight, 4 to 8. When she wakes up, I need to go to Walmart to buy a microphone for my voiceovers because my computer sucks, and I've tried to do a voiceover and you can't even hear me. It's like so terrible. So I'm gonna go and get a microphone. I have to go to the post office to pick up a Sephora order, and I have to return my mom's ice cream maker that I bought her from Amazon. So we're gonna be doing that today. Then my mom's coming over later to watch the baby. It's a beautiful day, so I'd like to go for a walk, but it might be too hot because it's supposed to be like 30 degrees, which is like crazy. It's been so nice. But I know I'm gonna get questions. So this kimono thingy, I got it like 5 years ago from Forever 21, so it's probably gone now, but I really like the color and it's lightweight, so I thought I'd throw that on today. And my hair, I just used some purple shampoo to get it like more of a platinum color, and I really like it. So I was gonna obviously get I think I mentioned in my last video that I wanted to dye like just my roots and not get highlights, but my stylist was like, if you're gonna try and have a baby, she's like, it's best to not do on scalp bleach. You can do highlights, but you can't really do on scalp bleach, so I'm not going to. I'm just gonna do highlights. I'm sure it's fine, but if it's something that is better for the baby, if I do highlights, then I'm gonna do highlights. Like, I'll do whatever's better for baby. So yeah, I'm gonna go. I have to edit some videos, and I'll talk to you later. I just got back from Walmart. I apologize because I legit forgot my camera and I forgot my cell phone, so I'm just gonna give the missus, I just bought one of these Odie Chomps apple and sweet potato by Love Child Organic. She loves these. The last one I gave her was like a blueberry, and I thought I'd try this flavor right now, so I'm just gonna give her one of those, but I can't do it one-handed. She loves them. This is her little outfit today. She has this little onesie that says love is sweet. It has a sparkly watermelon, and then my mom got her these Joe Fresh coral little 3/4 leggings, and she had these shoes on, but is that good? But her feet are too wide, so her pinky toe always pops out, so I really need to get her some more sandals because she doesn't have very much. I have her toy in here because she dropped it in the parking lot, so I'm gonna sanitize it. And I just use these little sanitizing, look at these, thank God I'm tall, Baby Ganix alcohol-free sanitizing thing, so I just wipe it down. I love those. They're from Amazon. So Baby Ganix alcohol-free wipes, you can find them. So yeah, I picked up the organic thingies for her. I picked up this is all Walmart had. It's like a PC headset, and it has a microphone, but I asked the guy there and he said that it'll do the same thing as like a microphone. so I can now do voiceovers, because before I haven't, and I really want to do voiceovers for like cleaning videos and stuff like that, but I was never able to. So because also I started my period today, I got some Tampax. This is the kind I use, just the Tampax Pearl. And I get the super because the regular ones I feel like are a joke. Like, I don't know what girl is okay wearing one of those for more than like an hour, if that. And then I got a first response pregnancy test. This is the best in my opinion. I used this with Blake. I tested like 4 days before my expected period and got a positive. So I picked this up because we're gonna start trying in like 2 weeks. I think it's 2 weeks. I also got her some puffs. These are the Gerber strawberry apple flavor puffs. She likes these, and I just like giving her this stuff while I'm preparing a meal for her so that she has something to kind of chew on. And if we're ever out in the car or something, she can have this or her little Cheerios or whatever. So it's just good to always have that kind of stuff on hand. And just to let you guys know, although by the time you see this video, it'll be a little while, but in Canada, the Love Child Organics and PC Organic baby food pouches were recalled. A lot of them were, but the I always get these ones. Well, I do get the PC Organics as well, but the Parents Choice Organic. So I got her a bunch of these. These were not recalled. So I got her apple, peach, and quinoa. And she's not a big vegetable girl, so if I can get one of these in her, I feel a bit better. This one is banana, apple, zucchini, and amaranth. I don't know what amaranth is. It looks like some sort of oatmeal. All this stuff was like 50 bucks. Everything adds up so fast. I have an itch. Ugh. That's better. I got banana, strawberry, and beetroot juice. Again, they're just good for snacks and to get some veggies into her. I got just apple, and I got 2 more. Apple and carrot. And then I got banana, sweet potato, blueberry, and brown rice. And then the last thing I got, this was in like this super cheap, like, it's not like a dollar section, but it's like the discounted section at the end of the aisles. And I've never tried it. It's the Aussie 3-Minute Miracle Deep Conditioner. So I thought I would just use this to, I mean, obviously I have like platinum hair, so I need to do that. So I'll let you guys know how much that was. Where is it? So I guess, I don't know if that's regular price, $2.46, but it's super cheap for a conditioner, like, and I've heard really good things. What's X120? Oh, the pregnancy test was $11.98, and yes, I could go to the dollar store and get the dollar ones, but I'm OCD, I need the legit stuff, because if I didn't get a positive on the dollar store ones, I'd be like, oh my God, I need to check. Like, what if I'm not? I don't know. I like them. All of those pouches were $1. The Gerber strawberry puffs were $2.77. The tampons were $7.98. And, oh, the family planning, sorry, the pregnancy test was $10.94. So what the hell is this X120? Oh, the headset. Okay, that makes sense now. So I think B and I are gonna go outside and just sit in the sun for a bit because it's beautiful out. I did want to mention I did switch her to whole milk as opposed to formula, because formula was plugging her up even though I got a low iron one. And I know a lot of doctors say like at 12 months you can give them whole milk, but she's gonna be 11 months in a week. I breastfed her right up. I don't think whole milk is gonna hurt her. Like, she needs the fat. So I don't know, I might go back and forth between like a whole milk bottle and a formula bottle, and I also give her water. Is that good? She likes it. Oh, did you drop it? Where'd it go? Where is it? Did you drop it? Here you go, princess. Oh, say thank you, mommy. Oh, I love you. And now she's got lipstick on her head because, you know, I always kiss her. Show you guys this because it's adorable. B. I love you. Oh, you love me. I love you. B. Oh, I love you. So every time I say I love you or kiss kiss or oh, she does that. It's so cute. B and I just came in from outside. I didn't sit out for very long with her because our backyard's not the nicest. Like, we're redoing it this year. And there's only like a tiny patch of shade, and it's just starting to like fade away because I don't like keeping her in the sun. So sorry, I'm looking for my hummus in here. So we had to come inside because I didn't want her to get too much sun. So we're just gonna have some lunch. I have some not organic, summer fresh original hummus, and I just have some cranberry quinoa bread for her. And then I made this yesterday. She's just having little bits of chicken and tomato and chickpeas. It's from the Yum and Yummer cookbook. Is that good? And I'm just gonna have that as well. And I'm gonna give her some berries. I'm coming, baby. I really need a better knife for this, but oh well. This girl loves her berries. My little helper. Every time I do laundry, she pulls everything out of the hamper and plays with it. Don't you? You crazy girl! What's she doing? You crazy. Oh, yucky. Oh, yucky. Oh, poo-pooey. This is embarrassing. I look ridiculous. But this is what I do for you guys so I can do a voiceover. Got all my laundry folded, and I was going to clean up Blake's toys, but then I thought, what's the point, because she's just going to come back down and play with them anyway. So that's why this stuff I kind of leave till the end of the night when she's gone to bed, just because there's just no point. So I wanted to show you guys, my girlfriend sent me, or she gave me these little samples. She sells Roden and Fields, and they are the doctors that did the Proactive. So she gave me and my mom some samples, and speaking of which, my mom is here, so I'll talk to you later. Hey guys, I just got home not too long ago from work, and I got home like 10 minutes ago. It's 8:45, and my parents just left, and I really don't feel like doing the dishes tonight, so I'm gonna leave these for tomorrow morning. But I had a good shift. I only work 4 to 8 a couple times a week, but I was gonna tell you guys that this time of like not nursing, like I think it's been about a week, almost 2 weeks since Blake stopped nursing, and my hormones have been all over the place. I'm not kidding, and I just want to share my experience so that if any of you out there are going through the same thing, you can you can relate to me. So my emotions have been literally all over the map. Like I have been crying almost every day. Not all day, just like I get teary-eyed like at least once a day. Or I'm not gonna lie, I have been like pretty much like a bitch to Colin, very like moody and sensitive and sometimes argumentative, and it's just my hormones are just so out of whack. And I did hear that when you are when you stop breastfeeding, the hormone crash is similar to postpartum. Now, I will say postpartum is worse because when I was postpartum, I had really bad postpartum anxiety for like 10 days after Blake was born. So I wouldn't compare the two for me personally, but it's like you're PMSing for like a week. Like I feel like, and I got my period. So, it's just all over the place. So my poor husband, I just said to him, like, I was like, babe, I'm so sorry. Like and he's always like, you're a little cranky. Like, what's with you? Like, it's not like you. And I'm like, I'm sorry. I'm just hormonal. And like, so he's been super sweet and supportive. And like, he's just amazing. But yeah, my emotions have just been all over the place. So if you guys are experiencing that or did experience that, please let me know. I know it's normal, but I think it's something that needs to be talked about more because I didn't really know until I heard it from one influencer on Instagram. So thank God I saw that post, because otherwise I'd be like, what is going on with me? But apparently it's very normal and it's like a real thing. So anyways, I'm hoping that my hormones are going to level out soon. And I'm not gonna be like Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde, because yeah, I've just been super emotional and it's just been really hard. But anyways, I love you guys. I'm not sure what we're gonna do tomorrow. I don't know if it's supposed to rain. If it's not supposed to rain, I'll probably go to my parents' house because I like to sit out in the sun in their backyard because you guys know it's beautiful. Tomorrow's supposed to be thunderstorms for a little bit. So I don't know, I might just stay home and edit videos and do that sort of thing. So I love you guys and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.